Have you seen the latest post of Department of Tourism? Grabe, literal na the GOATs. Nag-release sila ng balita na may dalawang grupo na kikilalanin bilang tourism ambassadors. Bakit? Dahil sa tindi ng contribution nila sa pag-boost ng turismo tuwing may concert sila rito sa Pinas. Dinarayo talaga ng mga foreign fans. Pero real talk lang tayo ha. The truth must be told. These groups don't even need an official endorsement. Why? Dahil ever since naman, ginagawa na nila yan. It's in their DNA to wave the Philippine flag globally. May papel man o wala mula sa gobyerno. Kaya naman ang buong internet nagkaroon ng kanya-kanyang bet. Pero ang hula ng nakararami, walang iba kundi ang BINI, the Nation's Girl Group, at ang SB19, the P-pop Kings themselves. BINI officially confirmed it. Tinanggap nila ang endorsement with full media coverage. Sobrang deserve. But wait! Everything is waiting for the other group to be announced. And yet, wala. Tahimik ang DOT. Hindi nila ni-reveal kung sino ang kasama ng BINI. At ang SB19, no confirmation, no denials. Total radio silence. But you know what the best part about SB19? Despite all the world tours and sold-out concerts, they always stay grounded. Sila yung grupo na hindi naghahabol sa spotlight o sa mga official na titulo mula sa gobyerno. Why? Because for them, the ultimate reward is simply lifting the Filipino culture up. Kilalanin man sila o hindi, they don't need a piece of paper to prove that they are the kings. Dahil habang ang iba ay nag-aabang sa kung ano ang susunod na anunsyo, the boys, tahimik lang silang nagtatrabaho, deep bowing in front of their fans, and continuously waving the Philippine flag all over the globe. Meron mang titulo o wala, official or unofficial, their humility is the real reason kung bakit sila ang isa sa mga natatanging napili para maging ambassador ng Department of Tourism. Tunay na kahanga-hanga ang SB19. May karapatan silang magyabang, may karapatan silang ipagsigawan, pero mas nanatiling sumisigaw ang kanilang katahimikan.